Slighe gan eaglais.
I hope I can hear you.
Slighe gan eaglais as an lá jaaratal a seo.
Project.
Huh?
You're not projecting.
Slighe gan eaglais an lá jaaratal a seo. Seo scaun govision a fich in cara horsachorn. Oh!
It zooms.
Solas traffic. Mi dochas kan station. Ai karan slian and dras de kujok. We can hardly see.
We're going to crash. No.
You know what? I think this is kind of nuts. Well, hashin has in Slighe in Slighe in English ach gira is on Grace has. Hairo garav nam verse hashin chuntai shin arash gachi. I guess an akarma hakin haik viaun a guy here I guess chuntai shin go live Slighe in a Slighe arash. Also hashin hay stalum a gaura gach. Hashin karan garav gon. I guess hitchin arash gachi. Well, I guess go maga in stad ik Walmart is on route naga in. Oh!
Oh, what's going?
See,
Oh, sorry. That's my bad.
there's a big thing of concrete there. I almost ran over it. Okay, wouldn't know it in the snow, man. I would have messed up. We're on the wrong side of the road. Right side of the road in Scotland. In live Lee, I guess Hasho Kashkin Yard and an Alapa. Hemi Talich Nachro Kuchikin a Gian Narai. Okay, sound in Raad or Hashin at the east. Hashin at Aster. Well, Aster is more in a dinner show that ha Moram said. Hashin a Gino and Rut a Salja, a Dol Kahi and a Edge the Gamashin. I had Rutikin in the hole. Not fashion, quite in the sgàth. The sgàth mirror. It's a sgàth mirror. Yeah. Kishkin raw ashborn. Oh, showing Solus traffic. And Solus traffic, I guess.
That's a stupid car right
Maybe
there.
she's stat.
I'll zoom in on him.
Oh!
Right there, he's being a stupid.
Looks smiley.
Oh!
Looks smiley. Oh!
Where?
Car er het ons tuven raad.
I can't zoom up anymore.
Heb
because that one's stuck.
toepist te jou.
Yeah.
En ach kushin toepist. Toepist.
He got stuck. Now he's getting out.
Toepist. She did je forste nog gaan. Ik is shin en rood. Ska nach gatalet ietsje. De solis maar had tjaatje. Biet de gar gegroeid voor garum kujarak. I guess ha namashik maar hij aan draaste. Vemi to start I guess ha nur een good start. En jullie voor ons een good start ietsje. I guess hij kom maar broodje kun vijf kun cheetje voor een Slighe. Maar heb een dunje show hier. Hij groot ik kan voorstellen.
We're coming up into the valley.
Wat je zin en Glaun Mindenhal.
Yeah. Okay.
Zin in raad, maar hij kwijt. Kom maar vasker een dagiaki. Als je in een Slighe gaat, je backloop aan het trish. I guess hij naadje zo naar saarstje in een Glaun. I guess hij naar skjouwen tot I guess naar snacht. Maar savage bin snacht kom maar pouch show I guess Mali en gaudig na satje na vari na siisle als een Glaun. Oh, in Rut O'Huwn da chiad go le bliana va nacha seo conti tilleadh va yeruch an seo hain agus va drat seo conti tilleadh an shechiad jug geshesket va nacha seo conti tilleadh ach an díadach sneach ag díadach son choramíos an bia. Gutchigan a ríist I mo húla agus ma chuma sé iad mar seo bí seala gróhhaince in mo háin.
Most of the neighborhoods you don't see is because there's lots of trees in the way, so you can't really see them, which is also
Shellag
nice.
man,
Hey,
it's a sgàth.
what?
It's a sgàth.
What about
Here,
what's
sgàth. Here.
there's a person behind us? Oh,
Oh, agus shell it a navi mended hall.
this is the Menahal River. Translation. It used to be a lot bigger, like boom, I'm huge, but now it's like squeezed.
Well, shug a staurig ha a navin shall lomalan de gushke skas gevidden jeru a leeg ach sigaurig maar a draasde ha she stru big gehaun vut de kushach shachet de harishit ha vor gonna be een ro she hai sientach in jiffen a hacket iter saurig is gaunig maar ha avin is agus sinnen I should have told her get an for a vision to show Montana Creek.
Yeah.
I guess Marihiu, I is counted to the interest. It in show I guess in Tayaki. Put ye v dhan no 3 no views kehir degree Celsius out. It in rad there's more but in Roshan I guess in Tayaki. I guess Hanye fuse meal it in that.
We're getting a new fancy town.
She I guess Marihiu, I come back out at the lunch show. Snach, haltje snach now.
This is the fancy town road.
Yeah, sure. And then you bjärstach, sound the shin of you, is it the further? You bjärstach. Oh, I guess it alive Lee. I rún gunnichen aan fyrt du de gunnichen a host senatje show agus Oscar.
This one goes down to Skinner's cabin. Now this one
Dutch for the vish.
is pretty good too.
Go hugger and that.
And people doing snow.
Oh shit.
Ouch. And I'm not talking about the drug. I'm talking about like shoveling driveways and all. Which one that is though. The drug. But anyway, yeah.
Well sure, has je naar huis kijken. Rijntje en rot savage. Rijntje, hitje kijk. Oh, cool. Cool weer een raad.
A
Cool
little
big.
dog in the zoo. Oh my goodness, it's
Die fake je lachen goed. Die fake je lachen.
he's so cute, I can't see him. Oh, there's also a big fluffy white dog around here too. It's awesome, beautiful, majestic, gorgeous.
Okay.
And this is where we end. Good day.
Alright,